Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to solve one PySpark wording question. The question is, write a PySpark code to find the first and last purchase made by each customer. So for each customer, we have to find out the first purchase date and the last purchase date. If you see the data set, we have three columns. One is the customer ID, second one is the order ID, and third one is the purchase date. So if you see here, only three customers we have, C001, C002, and C003. So each customer, so we have to find out when was the purchase first made and last made. Okay. So we have a couple of clues in this question. Whenever it is first and last, then it means first means minimum. So last means max. So we're gonna use the aggregation function min and max. And each customer which says it means we have to do the group by. Whenever you see the question in the question, it is each customer or each employee. Likewise, whenever you see the word each, it means then we have to apply group by. Okay, so we are gonna apply group by and find out the first and last purchase using the aggregation function min and max. So this is one of the simplest questions. So when you read the question, it might be a little difficult, but this was one of the basic questions usually asked in the interview questions in interview. Okay, let's go to the Databricks workspace. That is my Databricks. Okay, I'm gonna create a cancel. And let me write the motto. Start coding question number 1. Okay. Now quickly I'm importing all this from PySpark.SQL. Oh shit. SQL import Spark session. And Spark equal to Spark session dot builder. I want to give the app name as question 1 p by question 1. Okay. Dot get or create. Fine. Now we're going to create a data frame. So data frame equal to df spark dot create data frame. I've already data in the interest of time I've just already created this data alone. Let's see. So data, here is the data, and the column names, we have three column names, so I'm gonna define it directly here. First is the customer ID. Okay, it's already prompting customer ID, order ID, purchase date. Okay, let's go and see the what data frame is created or not. Okay, data frame is created. So whatever so if you see the date is YYY hyphen DD hyphen MM format. Sorry, YYY hyphen MM hyphen DD format. Okay, customer ID and order ID is also there. So we are just interested in the customer ID and the purchase date. Okay, let's go and do the group by. So df dot group by. So each customer, the question is each customer we have to find out. So each customers we have to group by each customer ID. So customer ID dot aggregate of how to use the min. So min of purchase date, because minimal purchase date, right? So minimum of purchase date dot alias, can give any alias name. I'm giving as first purchase date, and the same group by I wanted the max of purchase date alone also. So I'm just giving after alias before aggregate, I'm giving max of purchase date also. Okay, max of purchase date, I'm giving the alias name as last purchase date. Finally, show. So for each customer, we find out the first purchase date and the last purchase date. Okay. Whether to verify the data, we are just simply selecting here. Simply select df.select customer ID. I'm just selecting the customer ID and purchase date ordered by again customer ID comma purchase date, showing this. Okay, control enter. So if you see, I simply sorted this data first step. So simply if I sorted, so for C001, it is on 1st of 15th, and the last second, which is nothing but the last year. So it is 3rd of 05, 0305. Okay. Similarly for 0002, 0003. We shall try adding one more record, so that because for all the customers we have only 2 records, let's add one more record for C001. Okay, I'm adding for C001 106. I wanted the last record to be it is 305, right? So I'm just changing the date alone. 15 instead of 5, I just gave the 15. So last record should be for C001. Last record should be March 15th. Okay, I'm running again. Control enter. So last record is March 15th. Okay, if you see here, one more record is also got added. That's it. That's all for today's session. Let's meet in next session. Thank you.